Magandang hapon po ng January 30, 2024, Tuesday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng January 30, 2024, Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 PM. 3D Lotto 5 PM result ngayong hapon ng Tuesday, January 30, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 PM. See you again later for 9 PM result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for January 30, 2024, Tuesday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Ultra Lotto 658 is 82 million pesos. Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 55 million pesos and Super Lotto 649 jackpot price estimates is 27 million pesos. For Tuesday, January 30, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 PM video for January 30, 2024, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.